Hello guys! We are back at Weitai hydraulic motor factory, and today we are talking about WTM series hydraulic motors. Let's look at this one. This is WTM-09 and it applies to 7 to 9 ton excavators. The structure consists of a travel motor, a planetary gearbox and a hydraulic valve. And this motor can be a perfect replacement for your hydraulic motor of any famous brand. So if you are interested in our product, please subscribe to our channel, message us, we'll gladly talk to you and discuss our cooperation. See you in the next video. Bye!